Code sensitive. Hello and welcome to tutorial 4 of Android game development. So here in this tutorial we're going to talk about bitmaps, and what bitmaps really are. They're kind of like actual graphics that you make on GIMP or Sprite or Photoshop. And so how we're going to do this, so we're just going to use the default launcher one in here. Drawable launcher, it's in all of these. And how we're going to do this is it's pretty simple. Just going to go down here and do bitmap, and then we can do bitmap BMP equals bitmap factory, and you had to import both of these, but I already did. So bitmap factory dot decode resource here, and you're going to take two variables. For the first one, right here, you put get resources, and then here is the actual ID of your graphics, like we said. So here it's just going to be r.drawable, and what we have here is the IC launcher. At least if you have older versions, sometimes it's called the icon, but I have the newer version. So we're going to enter it, and what we do, we take that canvas, like up here, dot draw bitmap. And we want this one, so on here we say the BMP or whatever you named it, the bitmap, and then here is the left part of it, so we can just do 50 in the top, 70. So both of these variables are basically where it is. And the paint is like the paint like up here. We could just do the green if we wanted, but not really, so no. And the sprites and stuff, it's a little weird because you're supposed to color it by yourself. So now that's seriously almost all of it. So let's save and run, and so you have here, and then you go start, and then see it has that green rectangle. Then in 50 down and 70 or whatever, it has it right here. So that bitmap. And I'll cut it for a second and make a graphics, you can too, to show you that you can do it any of your graphics. So, okay, so now I made my sprite. And if we look over here, you might have to refresh it like that in here or wherever, whichever folder you put it in. See, I have this random thing that I made for it in a second. And then so here where it says R drawable, instead of IC launcher, we're gonna do dot bloody stuff. So then now we can do blood BMP. So now it's like our own sprite, or whatever you like to call it, graphic. But it should show this graphics I made, the blood stuff. And then we can just change this to show you can put it anywhere, not that high, like 150 and 220. And then now we save this, and it's loading, preparing the SD card. And you can go in here, it's still loading. But so yeah, I really want to try to get into actual graphics. Did you see for a second at least that there was the blood graphics? See, and since we moved it down, now it's here. So now it's like in the middle of our screen. Soon, probably next tutorial, we'll learn how to actually like move it or something. But That's for next tutorial. If this helped you, like. Bye.